Hi, I'm Mario. I'm the inventor of the Triforce carpet stretching system. Uh, this is the very first tool I invented called the Carpet Frog. I used this particular tool for many years. It just uses cotton teeth. I've used it on carpets that are 80 ounces or more, no problem stretching it out. Just stretch all four walls. The trick to using a cotton head is very simple. You never want to crank it because it will shred the fibers. You simply kneel on the tool, put downward pressure with your hand, push down, and it stretches the carpet right in front of me. And that's real easy to use. And you just lock your stretcher in. Remember, none of this. It just makes it slip, and that's what shreds the carpet. That's the way most people use a stretcher. It's wrong. You're deforming the carpet. You're not stretching it. This is what causes restretches. It's this. That's why every carpet that goes down has to be restretched. This. It's foolish. You simply let it down, put downward pressure, and push down on the handle. That's how you use a stretcher. The same way with this tool. Again, it just gets angled. And just slight angle here. Kneel on the pad. Put downward pressure and push down on the handle. That's how you stretch carpet. Not crank, crank, crank. You can crank a pump handle or anything you want, but not a carpet stretcher. That's what ruins the carpet, deforms it, and what causes restretches. The sooner you learn this, the fewer problems you will have. Thank you, and I'm Mario.